The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come.
Oh my god.
Okay.
So you live.
Oh my god!
You're a fashion designer.
Yes, of course!
You're married to Zac Efron.
Yes!
And you drive a tractor. Oh, no, don't get sad. That's the only bad thing.
Right? You're so right. It's like a dream come true.
I am so happy for you, Tara. I can't believe we're best friends.
Sure.
We're still gonna be best friends, right?
Yeah, oh my gosh, of course. Of course.
I mean, I guess you don't see each other as much since also live here in Portage. You'll be off in France making out with Zac Efron.
I
You'll be really busy.
I know. Gosh. Hey. God, I got so wrapped up in myself. You sound really sad. You're gonna be married to Jeremy. Jeremy is so cute, and he is so good at video games.
Yeah, maybe we can develop
Yeah.
this.
Yeah, and you know what? I'll call you all the time. I would totally call you when I'm not on my yacht party. And if you have telephone access.
Wow, Tara, I work at the electric company. I think I'll have access to a phone.
You say that like it's a bad thing. Seriously, people need electricity just as much as they need maybe even more. Maybe even more. Maybe.
Sorry. You know, it's just a little overwhelming, you know, to see your future laid out like this in black and white, you know.
I understand.
So finite.
Listen, I know what'll make you feel better. Why don't I design you a signature wedding dress?
Yes, Tara. You do that.
Hey, by the way, did you finish the algebra homework?
Does it matter?
Guys, maybe you weren't ready to handle this kind of knowledge. Maybe we shouldn't have played MASH.
Well, you're handling it just fine, aren't you, Tara? You and Zac are handling it just fine.
Don't blame me for my life.
No, really, Tara. I'm free now. Now that I'm not bogged down by these ridiculous aspirations of fame and fortune and happiness, I am free to be who I am meant to be. A loser! No!
You make us wait.
Yeah! Fine!
It's okay.
I'm so cold! Why am I so cold?
Hey, look. Look. It's your wedding dress.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Oh, and it's going to be a beautiful shade of aqua because that's your favorite color. And then look, it's so, you know, like going to be like silky material. And look at the neckline. Oh, it's not too swoopy, but it's
Beautiful.
What?
I love how flowy it is.
Oh my gosh, that's the best part. No one will be able to tell that you're pregnant.
What?
Well, it just makes sense. You're marrying Jeremy. You're working for electric. Just remember, whatever you do to me, you're also doing to Zac Efron.
Zac Efron? This isn't about Zac fucking Efron anymore, Tara!
Is it because I'm the skinny one?
No! You know what I have to do? I will die by electricity! Gwen! Gwen, in here. Gwen! Just getting some water. I am about to pass out. I think it's because I had a brisk walk during my lunch and I didn't drink my protein shake. But don't worry about me. I went to Sam's Club this weekend and I found this new chip that Nabisco makes. And I brought enough for both. Oh, have one.
You know what? I'm good with my
They're
water.
baked.
Okay.
No, they're baked
I just
though.
had lunch.
Oh, but they're baked. Oh, but they're not fried. They're.
I'm
When?
sure.
Are you worried about breaking your diet?
I'm not
'Cause
on a diet.
I wouldn't do that to you. They're baked.
You know what?
When they have 5 grams of fiber.
I'm good with my water though.
Do you know about fiber?
Yeah.
I don't think you do, because if you did, you'd have one. Fiber lasts belly fat.
I knew that.
Go have one.
Yeah, sure. No, you know
Oh,
what?
Gwen,
I'm
have
really-
one.
Okay.
Gwen. Gwen, do you not like salsa verde?
Gosh, I didn't want to say
You
anything.
don't
I
like
don't
salsa verde.
Sorry.
Gwen, if you don't like salsa verde, you're not going to like this chip.
That's not.
You can't have any of those. But I've got 4 other flavors in my bag. What is your all-time favorite chip flavor?
You know I don't have one.
Oh, Gwen, everybody has one. Gwen, what's your all-time favorite chip flavor?
You know I've not
When
really
you
looked at it.
tell me your all-time favorite chip flavor, and I'll look in my bag and see if I have it. Like a game. Gwen,
I don't want to play.
like a game.
Okay, I'm
Gwen.
cool.
Cool Ranch. No Cool Ranch.
Never know how much I love you. Never know how much I care. When you put your arms around me, I get a fever that's so hard to bear. You give me fever.